Ready to give your space a fresh look? Here are 5 simple DIY projects that anyone can tackle over the weekend. Tip 1. Paint a room or accent wall. One of the easiest ways to refresh any room is with a splash of paint. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even a hallway, a new color can completely transform the space. Opt for bold colors on an accent wall for a modern touch, or keep things light and airy with soft pastels or neutrals. Before you start, don't forget to prep your walls properly by filling in any holes and sanding down rough spots. This will ensure a smooth finish. And remember, the right shade can make a room look larger, warmer, or even more inviting. Tip 2. Install floating shelves. Floating shelves are perfect for adding storage and style to any room. They're great for displaying books, plants, or your favorite decor items, and they're super easy to install. Tip 3. Update your door handles. Swapping out all door handles for something more modern can instantly elevate your home's look. Go for brushed brass or matte black for a contemporary touch. Tip 4. Add a backsplash in the kitchen. A peel and stick backsplash is a fantastic way to add style to your kitchen without any messy grout or major effort. Plus, it's easy to remove when you fancy a change. Tip 5. Refresh your garden. Don't forget your outdoor space. Simple changes like planting flowers, adding solar lights, or a fresh coat of paint on the fence can make a big difference. Those are 5 easy DIYs to refresh your space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.